Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting course. Today we are diving into the world of YouTube marketing, and this marks the beginning of our journey together. In this first class, we will be exploring the core objectives of this course, starting with our initial topic: what exactly is YouTube marketing? Before we begin this class, I like to remind you all that if you have any specific course request, or if there's a particular topic you like more details on, feel free to leave a comment. I'll do my best to address your request and create a video on that topic soon by the grace of Allah. Now let's dive right into our class. So if we talk about introduction to marketing, I already uploaded a comprehensive course on the subject. You can find the complete playlist on my YouTube channel. Then we know about the basic of YouTube marketing, what YouTube as a platform is, and how are you going to start a YouTube channel if you wish to. Then we'll talk about how do you actually roll out a storyline for any video that you are uploading on YouTube. Then we'll talk about the marketing strategy of YouTube. How do you market your videos? How do you enhance your audience? How do you enhance the reach of your videos? So all that we talk about in YouTube marketing strategy, and also we'll be talking about what are the YouTube copyright issues that come up. How do you make a jump-free YouTube video? Then we talk about what is search engine optimization in YouTube. How can you rank your particular video ahead of your competitors on YouTube? Finally, we'll be discussing about the marketing tools that are really important if you are going to start your channel, or if you are working in a company in their YouTube front. How can you enhance the particular channel? So all these things, what are the key tools that are required, we'll be discussing in this particular course. So stay tuned until the very end. This is going to be a knowledge pack session, so let's get started. So now let's talk about what exactly is YouTube marketing. To begin with, let me ask you a fun question. Do you know which was the first video to cross 1 billion views on YouTube? Just to give you a little hint, you must have danced on that song at some point of your life. I'll give you the answer at the end of this module. So let's start by what is YouTube marketing. YouTube marketing is a method of generating videos and publishing them on YouTube in order to increase the publicity for your particular business or a product, or a self-branded if you have. So if assist the business in increasing the traffic, expanding the customer base. Remember, you need to have a large customer base to attract the potential customers. Then reaching out to new audience. So as I told, grabbing attention. Marketing campaigns play a very important role in such scenarios, right? So YouTube play as a platform in such a wonderful thing for all the creators that are coming up. You must have known a lot of creators are starting their journeys with YouTube. Why? Because it has a very big user base. Just to give you a little stats on that, YouTube has around 2.3 billion monthly active users. Now just imagine setting up of a YouTube channel is free of cost, right? You can monetize your channel if you have enough views. And also with such a huge user base, you can get yourself listed with the top that are trending. Now as a platform with such high user base, you don't really need to pay anything. You just need to have a good content that you really want to put out. Now just imagine if you are a brand and you are publishing yourself on commercial or traditional marketing methods like commercial TV ads or billboards that cost hundreds and thousands of dollars. Now in comparison to that, YouTube is an open world. You can put your own video in a way that you like, so that the users are the customer base can get a view of what you are posting. Now this is really important to know that every brand has to maintain its image, has to maintain its personality, right? They need to have a brand voice of that particular thing. So YouTube has a very strong essence to user base. A lot of people these days don't watch television, they just watch YouTube, right? So that is why giving a huge user base in one essential benefit of YouTube. Second is every hour almost 30,000 hours of content gets uploaded on YouTube. Now just imagine how much content is there on YouTube. Now in order to be the best in YouTube, you need to have certain strategies that we will be talking about in the next modules. You need to know how to make a YouTube video. So all these things will be told to you in the coming videos. Just imagine the scale in which YouTube is growing. People are posting 30,000 of content, which is very big number. In order to give you a brief history about it, Google bought YouTube for 1.65 billions US dollars back when it was just growing, just starting out. Now just to give you a little number, YouTube revenues per year is around 13 to 15 billion, and Wall Street Journal estimate the valuation of this company of around $100 billion now, which is a massive thing as a company to build a platform which gives common people like you and me the chance to grow themselves, and also YouTube is monetized. So the creators who are coming up on YouTube also have a chance to earn, right? They either earn by the YouTube's own platform or they earn by collaboration with other brands, right? You must have seen paid promotions with tags on the channel, right? So you either get paid by YouTube or you get paid with collaboration with other brands. But either ways, as a content creator, you get good money if your content is at the peak. If your content is the best among the rest, then let's talk about some popular genres that are there, popular type of videos that are there on YouTube that are really popular and comes in the trending. So we'll talk about these topics on our next class. I hope you enjoyed today's class. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in comment section. Also don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the future content. I'll be back soon with the next exciting class on YouTube marketing, where we'll be discussing the importance of storytelling and YouTube marketing strategies. See you all soon.